I love you. It's February. Valentine's Day is just around the corner, and we have the perfect recipe for you to give to someone you love. Our I Lava You blend uses basil, happy joy, lava, and geranium essential oils to make a very uplifting and loving blend. To make this blend, all you're going to do is add these oils to your diffuser. We're going to use 2 drops of lava essential oil blend, 2 drops of happy joy essential oil blend, 1 drop of geranium, and 1 drop of basil. Put it in your diffuser, turn it on, and diffuse it in an open room to create an uplifting and romantic mood. To make a master blend of this beautiful I Lava You blend, use 32 drops of lava, 32 drops of happy joy, 16 drops of geranium, and 16 drops of basil. Just fill it up, shake it, and label it, and give it to someone you love. I'm Katie.
And I'm Shyla.
Certified aromatherapist, and we love teaching people how to use essential oils.
So for more recipes just like this, head to our website and hit the subscribe now button
to get everything you need for this recipe. We have the perfect diffuser blend for you.
I love you.